My name is Srinati. Today I am going to talk about diseases related to thyroid gland. What is a thyroid gland? A thyroid gland is a ductless endocrine gland situated in the anterior, the front portion of the neck. It roughly resembles the shape of a butterfly. It is also one of the largest endocrine glands, weighing an average of 25 to 30 grams. This gland has two lobes on either side of trachea, with each lobe measuring 4 to 6 centimeter in length and 1.3 to 1.8 centimeter in width. The primary function of thyroid gland is to secrete two hormones, namely triiodothyronine hormone and trioxin hormone. Both T3 and T4 hormones play a very important role and affect almost every tissues in the body. The thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped gland located at the base of the neck and secretes important endocrine hormones for the body. It manufactures hormones responsible for regulating the metabolism of the body. Under certain conditions, the thyroid functions get affected, resulting in afflictions involving the endocrine system. Many disorders and diseases arise from the manufacturing of thyroid gland. These disorders occur when the thyroid produces too many hormones or too fewer hormones, affecting various functions of the body. Thyroid symptoms. Sometimes symptoms of thyroid disorders are not very obvious. This is because there are various other factors that can induce similar symptoms, and usually the treatment is given according to the symptoms. For instance, excessive tiredness may be associated with sleep apnea, narcolepsy, etc. But the underlying symptoms may actually be thyroid related. Some of the most common symptoms of thyroid are nervousness, poor concentration and knowledge retention, change in menstruation cycle, increase in heart rate, muscle aches, weight gain, high level of cholesterol. Thyroid gland disorder. Thyroid gland is susceptible to many disorders and diseases. These problems might be due to excessive secretion of hormone, unusual growth of gland, malignant lumps, etc. Also, scientists have theorized a relationship between stress and thyroid health. Stress may actually aggravate the underlying thyroid condition. Most common thyroid problems are hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, goiter, Hashimoto disease, Graves disease. Hypothyroidism. When the thyroid gland produces an insufficient amount of hormone required for the body and it gives rise to the hypothyroidism. It may arise from the problems in the thyroid gland, pituitary gland or hypothalamus. Any of these malfunctions led to low level of hormones circulating in the body and impacts normal functions of the body. Causes of hypothyroidism. Hashimoto disease is the most common cause of hypothyroidism. This is also known as autoimmune disorder or Hashimoto thyroiditis. Any autoimmune disorder is one of which occur when the immune system produces antibiotics which attack the body tissues. So even these antibiotics attack the thyroid gland, it impacts the thyroid gland ability to produce sufficient level of hormones. The exact cause of the kind of trigger is unknown, but it may occur due to environment factors. Response to hypothyroidism treatment. Sometimes treatment of hypothyroidism involves the use of radioactive iodine anti-thyroid medicines. These measures may lower the hormones level, turning hypothyroidism into hypothyroidism. Surgery. Removal of the thyroid gland, particularly or completely, may lead to less production or no production of hormone at all. Radiation. Cancer patients are given radiation therapy which may affect the thyroid gland when the parts of the neck and head undergoes radiation. Thus, this may lead to hypothyroidism. Medication. Some medications also interfere in the activities of thyroid gland like lithium. Hypothyroidism. This may also occur as the result of congenital diseases, pituitary diseases, pregnancy or iodine deficiency under rare circumstances. Symptoms of hypothyroidism. Although symptoms of hypothyroidism are barely noticeable in beginning, as the body continues to show low on metabolism due to fever, thyroidism hormones, more evident and obvious symptoms develop. These may include the following: fatigue, increased sensitive to cold, dry skin, weight gain, puff face, hoarseness, muscle weakness, muscle aches, tiredness, stiffness, pain, stiffness and swollen in the joints, heavier than normal irregular menstruation periods, thinner hair, slower heart rate, depression, impaired memory, enlarged thyroid gland, Synthesized hormone tablets or hormone therapies is suggested to treat hypothyroidism in most cases. Hypothyroidism also pertains to overreact thyroid gland. As it is a result from excessive production of thyroid hormone thyroxine, it is less common as compared to hypothyroidism. Elevated level of thyroid gland hormone accelerated the body metabolism, causing irregular weight loss, irregular heartbeat, etc. Causes of hyperthyroidism. Graves' disease is an autoimmune disorder where the immune system attacks the hypothyroidism. In the response, thyroid produces too many thyroxine to fight back. Graves' disease is hereditary and runs in the family. Other causes of hyperthyroidism include swollen gland. The overgrowth of thyroid gland causes thyroid nodules. Symptoms of hyperthyroidism. Like hyperthyroidism, internally the signs of symptoms of hypothyroidism are also unnoticeable, but mostly one feels the following symptoms may lead to seek a doctor help. Feeling nervousness, weakness, tiredness, moody, etc. Shaking of hands, breathing problems, faster heartbeat, feeling hot, sweaty, warm, red and itchy skin, frequent bowel movements, hair fall, weight loss and more. Hyperthyroidism is reminded untreated may lead to heart problems, bone problems and serious conditions called thyroid storm, which is a life-threatening condition. During a thyroid storm, individual shows dangerous high level of heart rate, blood pressure and body temperature. Goiter. The thyroid gland gets excessive enlarged, causing the esophagus to get obstructed along with the other organs in the neck and chest region. This creates problem in the eating and breathing as iron deficiency generally causes it. Thyroid treatment. The most common treatment available for thyroid problems like hyperthyroidism is to replace thyroxine with another synthetic man-made hormone called levothyroxine. It is an injectable or an oral medication that can return the balance in thyroid glands. Patients will experience a reduction in the symptoms of hyperthyroidism in few weeks post medication. Cancer in the thyroid gland could be treated quite successfully with radiation. Thyroid cancer would be difficult to diagnose sometimes as it shows no signs or symptoms. A period checkup is essential for preventing such diseases from taking root.